Feeling stuck in the 9 to 5 grind, dreaming of financial freedom but don't know where to start. Welcome to Passive Mint, your new guide to building passive income from scratch, whether you are in UK, US, or Canada. In today's video, I'll show you how you can start creating passive income. Even you are starting with little or no money, no fluff, no scam. That's real strategy that actually work in 2025. Passive income is money you earn with minimal ongoing effort. Think rental income, dividend paying stock, or a YouTube channel that earn while you sleep. It's not instant, but with smart planning, it's possible. Apps like Vanguard, M1 Finance, or Trading 212 let you invest small amount in dividend paying stock. This company pay you regularly just for one share. Design once, sell forever. Use platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad to sell print on demand, merch template, or ebooks. This video you are watching is a passive income source. AdSense, affiliate links, and brand sponsorship create ongoing income. Passive Mint will help you with step-by-step tutorials, real-world tools, and finance content made just for viewers in the UK, US, and Canada. Whether you are a student or tired of your job, this is for you. If you are serious about building wealth and freedom, hit subscribe, turn on notification, and comment below. What's your dream passive income idea?